Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping skin and immediately targeting the biggest color issues. This saves time later. Cleanse quickly, then moisturize, let it sink in for 2 to 3 minutes so products don't pill. Once done, apply primer only where texture or longevity matters. This gives a smooth canvas. Choose your corrector based on color theory. Green neutralizes red, peach covers blue or purple, yellow brightens sallowness. Apply thin layers. Blending now reduces heavy coverage later and keeps finish natural. Next, you build coverage through careful layering and blending. This is the technical middle section. Apply corrector with a small brush or damp sponge in thin dabs, concentrating only where needed. This prevents cake. Once a corrector is blended, set it lightly with translucent or slightly warmer powder to lock placement. Then repeat only if necessary. After correction is stable, apply foundation with stippling motions to avoid disturbing layers beneath. Make sure to blend edges into neck for seamless transition. To finish, you refine, match, and secure the look so it lasts and photographs well. Buff the foundation edges, then spot conceal areas that still need coverage with a medium coverage concealer. This keeps the skin skin-like. Once matched, mist a setting spray to meld layers and check in natural light for color accuracy. If anything looks patchy, don't pile product on, lift the area with a damp sponge, remove excess, then reapply thinly. This troubleshooting tip prevents heaviness and keeps color correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.